Hi, I'm Brian Benham. I am a custom furniture maker here in Colorado. I've been designing and fabricating custom pieces for about 12 years now. And in this course, we are going to build this Greene and Greene style door. We are going to talk about door construction of what makes a good door. And in this particular door is what's called a Stave Corridor. That is a construction method that creates a very stable door, so it will withstand a lot of expansion and contraction. And in this course, we're also going to talk about slip mortise and tenon joinery. We're going to go over resawing veneers to create these panels. For the design of the top here, I'm also going to show you a cool little trick on how to quickly lay out these dividers across our panels so they're nice and even. We're also going to discuss about how to build a door jamb complete with weather stripping, and then I'll walk you through my installation process on how to get the door installed in your opening. There's a lot to learn in this project, so you can find out more at thewoodwhispererguild.com.